how to make an infinite water source in Minecraft. So first what you want to do is make sure that you have a water bucket ready, a bone meal, and a bucket. So an empty bucket. Then once you're done, you simply go to a flat ground and just break 2 blocks right here. Then put the water at the first block here at the top block, and it will just simply go down. Then put the bone meal at the bottom. Then it will convert into a seaweed. So just simply destroy it. And once that's done, destroy 2 blocks right here. Or just get your bucket first and get the water at the bottom. Then destroy 2 blocks or 3 and of these blocks also. Then put the water at the opposite side right there. As you can see, you now have an infinite water source. And the second way is just simply destroying 4 blocks right here. Now put the first water source here at the block and at the opposite one. And now it will automatically convert to your infinite water source. And that's how you easily make an infinite water source in Minecraft.